Hi everyone and welcome back to another ANTSIG how-to. Today we'll be showing you the 5-way HDMI switch and how it works. The switch provides you with the ability to display audio and video from up to 5 different sources to a single HDMI input. In the box you will find the 5-way HDMI switch, a remote, an IR receiver for the remote and a power cable, all of which will be explained in further detail. You will also require a HDMI cable to connect the switch to your TV and additional cables for each device you wish to connect to the switch. To begin, plug a HDMI cable into the output port of the switch. Then connect the other end of the cable into a HDMI port of your TV. This is usually found at the back. The switch has 5 numbered ports. Each device is connected into one of these inputs. For example, a Chromecast can be simply plugged directly into an input on the switch. If you'd like to display a laptop, connect an additional HDMI cable into one of the inputs of the switch. Connect the other end of the cable into your laptop's HDMI port. You can continue adding additional devices by following a similar procedure. The switch requires power from a USB and can be plugged directly into newer TVs. Ensure that the TV source is selected correctly to the switch. Now, to set up your remote, plug the IR receiver into the port of the switch labelled IR. The IR receiver will pick up the signal from your remote, so it is essential that you place the receiver in a position near the TV which is clear of any obstructions. Next, remove the plastic tab from the bottom of your remote, like this. The remote will now allow you to switch between devices. If you don't want to use the remote, you can manually change on the switch device by pressing the button. This compact sized switch can be stored behind your television out of sight. The switch also has an auto switching function which will automatically switch to the active device. It is recommended to keep the cable lengths as short as possible between your devices. For any further questions or for assistance, visit our website or refer to the contact numbers at the end of this video. Thank you for watching and we'll see you next time.